5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yep, it's gone. Bro, yep, that's in the tree, bro.
It's coming back.
Go get it!
All right, load the next one. There we go.
4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, that was tough. Woo! Gosh, I'm a really good photographer. Don't play with me. Oh, Ethan? Good job, Ethan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Hold it.
Hold it down.
Yeah, GG's.
You lost the body tube. That's just the payload section.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay,
Go.
Ray!
Look at that.
Oh, it comes right back to you. But I have to go all the way out there.
All right, next one up.
Running away, actually.
Yeah, spray him.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right there.
Wow! Oh, wow, that went high.
Oh, good job.
Wait, can I catch it? No!
You can only catch your own rocket.
I gotta stay. Coming straight down. Behind you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Yeah!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Yay, Dolly! Oh, yeah, have fun going to get that.
Zoinks.
Of course, yes, you can. Wait, can I catch it?
Oh, wow. Literally,
What
wow.
if it comes like in top of. Oh. Okay.
Oh, shoot.
Let him go!
Ready?
Go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah, no, it has to be wrong. Shoot, I'm not catching that.
You got that.
You got that, Caleb. You got that,
Drop
Caleb.
Caleb, run!
Go, Caleb!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There's a chute.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I need to run to the right. I do.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And those take off fast.
What was that? Oh, heck no. Okay.
Three, two, one.
Uh-oh, lawn dart.
2,
No!
1. Is this the last one?
They're gonna do one of the long rangers.
5, 4, 3, 2.
You need the one.